It's a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. Whether hauling the kids to practice or taking off on your next road trip, this Chrysler will get you there in style. It has incredible seating and cargo versatility with second and third row stow-and-go seats. Arrive at your destination safely with electronic stability control and the Park View backup camera. Plus, it has the Uconnect system, leather-trimmed seats, 3-zone temperature control, and a power liftgate.
The Uconnect system will allow you to control your music, hands-free calling, and so much more with just the sound of your voice. Say goodbye to an endless array of confusing knobs and buttons, and say hello to attractive and seamlessly integrated technology with the included touchscreen display. Safety comes by being aware of your surroundings, and for that, the blind spot indicator can't be beat.
This Chrysler Town & Country is the minivan your head and heart can agree on. Test drive it today.
Come see why it's better at The Border. We are conveniently located at 92 Route 00 in Pineville, Missouri. Online at smithautogroup.com.